Kia ora, nau mai, haere mai, ngā mihi niu. Happy Maori Language Week, guys. Kei te pēhea koe, toko ingoa, ko Faye. Ko te tumanako kei te ora koe. Ko tuata ata I tēnei rā, o ko kina, ko papaka. Anyway, guys, that's my Maori for Maori Language Week. Tāna whamneo. Welcome, guys. Dear loving Jehovah, thank you so much for the food that's before me. Thank you for looking after everyone, sending down your blessing to each and every one of us. Please guide those and help those that's needing your help and who are hungry and cold out there. Thank you for looking after my mother, dear Father, my children, and all of us throughout this world. I send you all my love, dear Father, because you're so kind and so giving and bless us so much. In Jesus' name, amen. Okay, I've done my prayer. Guys, look at the kina. Look at it. It's badly abused. I got the butcher knife and I bang, 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 bang. I was banging. Bang. Because, guys, my son got the crabs and the kina for me. Well, it's for me and my husband. But, yeah, it didn't come clean like my last kinas. So I had to clean it. So I got the butcher knife. I was banging, and I was thinking, my neighbor's gonna think, what's going on? But let's get to it, guys. Oh, and I've got some cucumber, and I have a rag sauce for it, and I have a fruit drink cordial. So cheers, guys. Cheers. I like this cordial. It's from Aldi. It's a fruit drink. It's a fruit cup or fruit punch, fruit something. I don't know if this spoon will. Anyway, so look at it. it's not even straight cut. It was like bang, oops, and then the flying spikes. Lucky I had my glasses on because it would have spiked me in the eye. There you guys go. Yeah, and I have my bowl here. That's for all the shells. My son got 3 crabs, but I thought I'll just make sure it's double clean. I thought I'll just have 1 crab. I might have regrets. Oh, the kina. The kina. So tasty. Oh, I can just see myself running out in no time. Yeah, so he didn't call us to let us know he was at the fish market in town. Otherwise, I would have ordered so much. You know, guys, I first knew how to learn a Maori language in New Zealand when I was going to school. It was so good because the teachers will, teach us those, even songs like umarapati, umarapati, uma. So it started from primary school, learning Maori words. It's so good, guys. I love how New Zealand is now most of the Maoris there, they can speak their tongue. And they should, guys. You know, that's why I thank my mum for making sure that we don't speak English at home. Oh, look at that fat one. Oh, I wish my son got more. Anyway, yum. wish they were all like that. Oh. You know, New Zealand, when we used to stay down Wellington, my dad and uncle used to go and dive for kinners. Was dad my uncles, and they used to come with like a potato sack back in the days, and it was all go that day. So yummy. Make sure there's nothing left in there. And Tasmania says this is a pest. Oh, Tasmania! Don't ever say that. If I ever find out that Tasmania allow us to go and eat kinners there, I'm buying myself a ticket. I'm going there. Nothing. I only got 1.5 left. That's so sad. You know what? I'll leave it a bit and I'll focus on the crab. I wanted to tell you guys a story about my drinking buddy when I used to drink heaps. His name is James. Look guys, I didn't know what I was going to poke this up with, so I got my daughter's drinking straw. Look. So I thought, well, this is skinny enough. Oh, where's my crab leg? Earlier. Anyway, so I want to tell you about this. He's a Pākehā. His name is James. I don't know. You're going to see some odd way of opening up this crab. Oh, yeah. Anyway, where is it? Okay, I'll push it from this end. Is it big enough? Oh, yeah. Yeah, his name is James, right? He used to live across the road from me. And we used to drink together, him and I. He's a lovely young man. But he's not really young, and he's an old man. But he's younger than me, guys, put it that way. Now, how I got to know James is because I was driving out, and he was driving back into the street, but he was coming that fast, he nearly crashed into me. And I thought, oh, you bugger, you wait when I come back from my shopping. I'm heading over there to confront you about that speeding Gonzales. I mean, far out, man. My child was in the car. Anyway, oh, look at that. Take a bite. Oh. You know what, guys? I'm getting the other crab because this is too nice. This is too nice. I really didn't think. But, oh, look at that. Oh, a little bit of meat on it. Shanara, can you go and get the other crab, please? Probably can't hear me. Probably got the earphones on. Oh, look at that little... Oh, anyway, getting back to my story. Really worried I might get spiked, and you know, when you get spiked by one of these crab spikes, wait, you know what, okay, you know what, oh, where, oh, yeah. So once I got home, I think James must have been waiting for me to come home. Anyway, so I was unloading my shopping, and there was a knock on the door, and I went to open it. Yeah, so I opened the door, and it's James standing there. I've never met the guy, but his little brother, Saxon, hangs around with my kids, so they, you know, hang out, play. So when I opened the door and saw him, oh, there was some meat inside the store. Yeah, so when I saw him, he goes, "Hey Faye," this is how he talks. hey Faye, you know, I'm really sorry, I didn't mean it, Faye, you know, I was just meaning, just couldn't wait to go home. Oh, I'm really sorry, Faye, you know, I don't want to start off on bad terms with, you know, you guys are like, you know, we all live together, and, okay, so I go, okay, just don't do it again, okay, because I had my daughter in the car, and he goes, yeah, really sorry, Faye. You know, my mum got angry with me. You know, I'm really sorry, so I had to come over here and make it good with you. And I thought, oh, okay, you're forgiven. Yeah. So, because my mum always taught me, when someone comes with sincere apology, I can't stay mad. We are not allowed to stay mad. Just accept it and move along. He said me, there was nothing in there. Yeah. So my friend James, he's a Pākehā, but he really thinks he's like, he really embraces being a Kiwi, you know. So that's his choice. And I really love James. He's a good drinking buddy of mine. Oh, ooh. Yeah, so all of a sudden, you know what? After this, I'm going to have high blood pressure. Ooh, look at that meat. Come to me, baby. Oh, what a good. So guys, get you a straw, a steel straw, and enjoy the crabs. I stopped buying crabs because it was always hard to get through. Ta-da! Yeah, so me and James, we started hanging out, you know, harmless guy, but it's so funny, and I always imitate his accent, because he's got the full-on accent that he does. It's just the way he talks though, guys. Anyway, so when he wants to have a drink with me, right, he'll cross the road, and this is how he walks. Right, okay. Oh, I miss him so much. I don't know where he is these days. But the last time I saw of him, he was a big W. Now he has a Maori girlfriend. Because we moved out of the street, guys. And then that's when I sort of gave up drinking, and, you know, we had to buy a house for our children, and then things just move on from there. Anyway. Oh, what a good one. Anyway. So, where's the other bit? Why did I eat it? Yeah, so I really thought the other bit was waiting for me, but obviously I ate it. Oh. So he'll walk across the road like that, right? It's like he's waddling along, and he'll come to the door. Knock, knock, knock. Oi, Faye, come in for a drink, mate. Come here. If James saw me now, he'll go, Faye, do I really sound like that? I go, yes, James, you do. James, he is not everyone's cup of tea because of the way he is, but you know what? He is who he is, you know? And we got on so well. We would always drink together. I think my husband would rather have me drinking with James than with some other guy. But hey, he was like a good friend, you know? He was, oh, everyone loved James, except my daughter Mata. He used to come over, knock on the door, and he'll say, Well, I don't know this, you see. I only find out later from James. So he'll come over and he'll knock on the door, and my daughter, she'll open the door. Her name is Crystal, but we call her Mata. Okay? Like ngā mata. Man, this is so good. I'm buying crabs on that one. Yeah. And then he will go, oh, it's Faye here. And then my daughter will just close the door. And then he's standing there, he'll waddle back. Yeah, my daughter was not putting up with him because she sort of blamed him for me going out to drink. But no, because he's fun to drink with, I like to drink with James. And it's funny because it's like we were a couple, like we'll drink and then we'll clash and then we'll make up again tomorrow and drink. Look who's come to join the party. Yes, he has come to join the party. Yeah, so where was I? Before I was really interrupted. And then the following day, James will come over and he'll say, hey Faye, hi Tangaroa. When was it Tangaroa? I said Tangaroa. And I say, James, it's not Tangaroa, it's Tangaroa. He goes, oh, yeah, that's right, Tangaroa. And then he'll come over again, it's back to Tangaroa. Yeah, so that was us, you know. Sometimes we'll go up the road. Oh, my husband always used to buy the female crabs and you get all that yellow, you know, eggs and Oh, my dad used to use these as ashtrays because my dad used to smoke Paul Mill filter back in New Zealand and he always used to use these as ashtrays, which was for free after you get it from the sea and then you eat it, eat the crab and get yourself a free ashtray. Yeah, so James, my drinking buddy, wherever you are out there, I hope you're well and I hope you're happy and I hope you're looking after your girlfriend, or she might be a wifey now. But I love you, James. You're still my best drinking buddy. Some people gotta understand because of the way he lives. But me, he was just James. Wait, you see all that? I love this praise ranch dressing. It's got a sweetness in it. Okay, back to the kiddo. Look, kiddo's going. Okay. Look at that. Some people will look at me eat this and think, but that's because they don't like kina. But those who love kina, they'll go, hey, Faye. Man, thank you God for this beautiful food. Always make sure you're not gonna my brother's moved out of Mount Druitt. I was saying he's a trader, but he got a place out in Seven Hills, a poor bro. Yeah, so I went to help him move. I miss him, you know, because when he was living just up the road, about just 5-minute drive up here, not even a full 5 minute. Yeah. That kind of shot back to my throat. You know what? This fork's not doing it. Some people eat everything in here, okay? But that's not me. I just eat the yellow stuff at the time. Yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah, about my buddy James. He's such a good person, and you know what? When he's got money, he doesn't, you know, like skimp out on me. He'll shout me. And when I see him I got money, we shout at each other. And you know what's funny about him? He always says, "Faye, I'm gonna marry you one day." And he knows that ain't gonna happen. But it's all in good fun. Even his mum used to roll her eyes. Poor James, you wangsy. Oh, my ornament. I bought this years ago. It's over 20 years, this ornament of mine. It used to have a power eye. I don't know who's the bad person that made it drop out. How dare they? Put it that way. How dare they? I love my Maori ornaments. It's a piece of New Zealand I brought with me. Oh. Anyway, this was the hard one to crack open, so I just left it like this. Big kidnap, but not so big inside the meat. Yummy. Oh. Yeah. Oh, come out, come out, come out. No, that's weird. If they say you're allowed to fish at Rightful in Tasmania, I'm going. If it's not too dangerous. Look at me. It's clean, guys. That's so sweet, so lovely, so delicious, so yum, so crab time. That's sweet. Oh, lovely, delicious. So guys, get yourself a straw and go buy crabs and enjoy. Delicious. I put down a couple of onions on the bottom and I boiled them with a bit of salt. And it's funny, I put in salt and it's come out sweet. My camera's showing it's hot. Rude guy. This is so lovely. We went out to Kicking In. This is out in Canley Vale. It's a seafood place. And they had this really thin steel thing to pull out all the crabs, the crab meat. So I thought, oh, I want one of those, but I don't know where to buy one. And a chopstick would probably do a good job too, guys. The meat goes inside the straw and you get it out. Yeah, so I want to say hello to my brother Maeli. Maeli, if you're watching, I miss you. Don't worry, your big sis will come out and hassle you. And take you out to lunch, me and the old lady. So he's going to run out and buy some crabs now. Oh, you are so lucky there in New Zealand. You guys can go and dive. Well, not everyone, but you know, those who stay near the sea and know where to dive. But I tell you what, guys, me and my husband, we were watching this video. And this guy, he was going looking for, I forgot what he was looking for, but he met up with some powers. And they were so massive, you know, so massive. They weren't like the egg-shaped anymore. They were like round, but it was like the size of my head. And this is in New Zealand, guys. He just found himself a lucky spot. And obviously, no one was fishing there. Like, no one was diving there. But he had a scuba diving gear, guys. So it'll be out of reach for those who don't have a little boat. Look at this meat. There's so much meat here. Look at that. That's meat. Have a bite, guys. Look. All that meat. Man. Winner chicken dinner. Wow. Yum. Yeah, so those powers were so like massive. They were like, wow, you know. And I was thinking that, you know, the powers, they must have been growing and growing and growing and thinking, hello, is anyone going to come and dive for us soon? We're overgrowing here. Hello. And then they come along. Lucky. Oh man. So blessed to have such beautiful food. We're so blessed, eh, guys? We're so blessed. Oh, look at that meat. Look at that meat just fall out. There we go. Oh, who's gonna run and get them some crabs now? Hey, shh. What's that little meat? Oh yeah. Oh, just about to chuck it out. Sorry about my messy hands. Good. Oh, guys. I rub it in a bit of that ranch mayonnaise. Winner, chicken dinner. Just so good. You know, guys, I think I shouldn't have bought this crab because nah, it was just that I knew my plate was going to get empty, eh? With this skinny little guy. Oh, but he's so meaty. Guys, the camera died on me. Rude. And then I'm going to leave this crab because I just remembered Chaloa said, Mom, can I have a crab? And I go, oh my gosh, I was going to have two, Chaloa. And I was waiting for her to say, oh, okay, but no. She just stood there and looked at me like, I could see her eyes going, and are you going to give me that crab? Guys, New Zealand will always be in my heart. Always be in my heart. I live in Australia, but growing up in New Zealand as a child from the age of 6, it's always my home in my heart. I stay here because I'm with my children, but I love New Zealand. So, tēnā koe, everyone. Take care and God bless. The food was delicious. Go and get you some and get one of these steel things here. Bye. Whasai fua. Whasai fua. What?
Yeah. He did make a little comment like, well, fuck you, like they didn't eat crabs. I would have got them if they wanted. He goes, but you didn't even answer your phone. I was like, it's alright. And he's like, oh, they're not even going to eat.
Babe, she walked away. She walked away to wash her hands, so wait. Oh, this is yum, Mum. You want crab show?
No, babe, it's too much to eat, babe.
What am I even eating?
That's...
For the dinner,
Huh? I ate all the kino.
or horse.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, nah, they let me. Yeah, okay. See you later. I'm going to go and edit my video. See you later.
Did you end the recording?
Huh?
Did you end it?
Why wouldn't I?
She's
Nah.
not a Muslim.
Say bye.
Bye, guys.